Hi everyone. Today we'll install MongoDB. It will support for both relational and non-relational database. So that means structured and unstructured data. First of all, we'll go to MongoDB official website, MongoDB. So this is MongoDB official website, and here go to products. Here, yeah, these all are the different types of MongoDB products, and we require free version. So here, community edition. Okay, and download community. Yeah, here you can see, yeah, click on download. Yeah, yeah, it's downloading. It will take some time for download. Okay, after downloading, you can see here, download done. You can go to File Explorer, downloads. Yeah, double click on that. Okay, simply click on next and accept license agreement. Next, and complete. Just leave everything as it is. Next, and install Mongo Compass. Just uncheck and select next and install. So MongoDB will install in your machine. It will take some time for installation process. Just finish the setup. Okay, you can go to C drives and program files, and here MongoDB server 8.0 bin. Yeah, this is the one. You can see MongoDB. Okay, go to this bin path, copy this bin path, go to environment variables, edit environment variables for your account, go to this path and edit new, give this environment variables. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is the MongoDB installation process, and next video I'll show you how we can see the records in MongoDB by using GUI. GUI means a graphical user interface. Yeah, that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much.